Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we are going to make a bridge out of pennies. How many you got?
I got pennies.
Yeah?
Yeah.
2?
Yeah.
We'll make it work.
Yeah.
Using science.
You want to hear my 2 cents about that?
I do. But in the
2 cents.
to the lab. Science! Dance. Oh yeah! Alright, so we're in the lab and we've got all of our basic materials. We have 2 cups, a sheet of paper, basic size, 8.5 by 11. And what we're gonna do is fold this any way we can to make something that resembles a bridge. And the idea is that we're gonna put this as an assembled bridge between the 2 cups and it's gonna stay. Then we're gonna put stuff on top and see how well our bridge holds up. And you know, if it doesn't, it's gonna
Collapse.
Yeah, just like that.
Do you have weights with you today? What are we? Yeah. How are we testing the integrity?
I thought you had those. Weren't you getting them from the bank?
All right.
Oh.
Accountant Karen's to the rescue again. Here I have with me the great amount of money that you made from your last video. There you go. Really successful. What is this?
Is that a wheat penny?
Did you pay $1 to get 1 penny in return?
It's a souvenir.
No, he paid a lot. There's a lot of them in here. He paid a lot of dollars.
Yeah.
You went to Cedar Point?
I did, yeah. We
Didn't invite me?
also went to
You don't have enough
university.
budget in your
You
money?
didn't invite me?
We also went to...
Let's go, Sprinkles. Okay. Why do we even come? Well, you have fun with all your savings right there.
Yeah, we're gonna go to an adventure play. I don't know, somewhere she
Yeah,
said.
we're going to Cedar Point. Okay, Mom, have fun doing your experiment.
We're gonna look at trees.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
Get a squished penny!
All right, I'll bring you back one.
Yeah,
I'm
do you
gonna teach Sprinkles about Roth IRAs, okay? We're gonna learn a lot
I'll
today.
spot ya.
I'm locked in your house.
On me.
It's Monster House. It's Monster House. We're doomed.
Marbles, where are the keys? You're always saying new locks, but you got no keys?
What just happened? So on to the science. We're gonna use pennies as our weights
Okay.
to test the strength of our bridge.
Where you'll get second place again.
I'll get second place again. Well, there's only 2 of us, so I can't
That's
get,
why I said
can't get
second.
any lower. We'll just see how well that goes.
Sayonara. I'm taking this home with me.
Oh, okay. Do you think we'll get that back? Should we send her a receipt?
I noticed she got paid. Do I get that?
It's in the mail.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So you go first.
No, we go at the same time.
At the same time? Editor
Yeah.
Josh, how many seconds? 5?
Do we start with the paper on the table?
I guess so.
Okay.
Alrighty, so Editor Josh says 5 seconds, and I'm sure he's gonna put like a nice,
3, 2, 1,
elegant...
go! 2, 3, 4, 5.
Give me 5 more.
Nope.
Put it on the table.
I don't have, I'm not...
Oh wow, look at this guy here.
I can't, my PPE were in the way!
Disqualified.
All right, I got my bridge.
I got my bridge too.
Yeah, seems like you kind of took a little longer than 5 seconds.
You
if ask
can't
me.
rush fart. You can't rush Cuisinart. You can't rush
Are you having a stroke?
Napoleon Bonaparte. You can't rush
Except you can when it's a timed event.
You can't.
Because then that's the point of it.
rush art. Look at that. Look at that.
Right, well.
Should I go as far as I can?
I just did it to the ends.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll do the same thing. Okay. So you want to go first? See how many you do, or should we just go?
Yeah, we just. Mine refuses objects.
Oh, you know what? But it'll last a while.
It will.
If it can't, nothing can go on it. Oh shoot. Oh gosh.
All right.
The lab coat getting in the way. I'm trying to put as many in just kind of like the middle, but I think the right idea would be to spread them out. Yeah? Isn't that how I want to last?
Man, IDK.
I had to ditch the glove. I just, I wasn't able to pick up as many,
Yeah. I understand.
So.
It was kind of. Seems like your bridge is holding a lot. Mine is mine's getting there.
It's the bridge less traveled that
Yeah.
carries you further,
Oh yeah, no, for sure, but
I suppose.
allegedly.
I'm gonna try a different approach with it.
Suppose.
Using it like what the heck? Is that the